This video we're going to show you how to manage these sub-accounts, which are at Twilio, inside of the WootText system. First off, if for some reason your Twilio credentials ever change for your admin account, you can change it by going to sub-accounts and going to admin credentials, put in your SID and token, click on save. That'll automatically refresh your system with your new Twilio SID and token in the event it was ever stolen or somehow accessed, or you just want to change it to a brand new account based on your whatever you want to do, your decision. Click on save when you're done. Next, this shows all of our sub accounts in our system. These are client accounts in our WootText system, but it also shows other sub accounts not attached to this system and be attached to another system or another program or API. But this is how it works. I'll show you the legend here. If this particular client sub-account at Twilio is not in our application at WootText inside the system here, it's going to appear as white. So these three accounts are not in the system. If we delete a sub-account at Twilio, it'll appear as red. If the application is blocked, meaning WootText is blocked from using that particular client's information and account, it'll show up as orange. Next is application active. That'll appear as blue. And if it's the admin account, it'll appear as green here. To see any data pertaining to any particular account here, for example, like the admin data, we can check our SMS usage right here, get our SMS logs, we get our call logs, and we can also see how many numbers are available. By just clicking on that, we can see all the numbers that are assigned to that particular sub-account. If we ever want to see the call logs, just click on that, and we can see all the call logs for any particular account. They'll appear here on the database section. They'll be paginated. In this case, there's not many call records on this account, but we can see all the charges that we were charged in the direction if it was in or out, and the phone numbers that were related to the transaction here that took place at Twilio. Same goes for SMS logs. And here we go. We see the pagination. Just page it, and you can see all the charges, and you can look for anything that looks out of range. If you're doing some beta testing and you're debugging things and things aren't working, you can come in here and always look at your live data to see, compare it to what the system is showing. By clicking on here, you can suspend the account, and by clicking on here, you can close the account from here. Generally, this is a better option than actually going into Twilio, because Twilio makes it kind of hard to close accounts. This actually makes it pretty easy, and just click on this button here to suspend, click on this one to close, and that's pretty much it. This concludes the training on using the sub-accounts inside of WootText.